not a happy camper. Not a happy camper. It's snowing and it's the first day of spring. So don't get me wrong, I like the snow, but I'm just ready for winter to be over. Ready. I can't believe it's snowing. It's 34 degrees outside, and we're supposed to have 3 to 6 inches of snow today. Please, spring, hurry. Guys, I don't know why I'm complaining. I know that we have winter all the way up until May here in Kentucky. I remember one year we were selling roses for church, and we were outside church selling roses, my sister and I, and it was snowing in May. Come on, that's when the pool's open. So I should be used to this, but I'm not. Hey guys, today it's a mixture of things. I recreated this recipe that I saw from Mommy Tang. I don't know if you guys are familiar with her channel, but recently I decided to go vegetarian, and I am on a 21-day challenge to be vegetarian. If you guys see Noha's video, she talks about how you should use like a calendar to log your challenges, and that's what I did, and I started about a week ago, and so far it's going good. So I'm trying to see what kind of recipes I can do. Mommy Tang is vegan actually, and I don't think I can go that extreme, but I like her recipes because they're easy, and this is one of them. I am not even going to try to say what it is, but I will put it in here or here. And I will probably try to link her channel or have it in the description box below. But here are the ingredients. Got you, John. The rice cakes, soy sauce, garlic, and nutritional yeast. Next, I'm going to show you the directions on how to cook this. Mommy Tang recommends that you leave the rice cakes frozen for better results. So that's what I did, and all I'm doing now is just taking them out and breaking them up. It's really easy. They're not really that badly stuck together, but when you are taking them out, there is a little packet in there that's gonna come out right now, and all you do is take that out, make sure you don't cook it in there. Then you add your water, and you want to add water enough to cover the rice cakes, and this is what's going to make this sauce. Now it will reduce in the end. So you cook it all the way till it gets cloudy like that, and once it starts getting like that, you add your ingredients. So right now I am adding my soy sauce, and you can add it to taste right here. And she said that you can leave it like this if you're not a fan of spiciness, but I like spicy. So I'm going to go ahead and add the red paste. and just mix it all up, mix it all together. And you can add more if you like it really spicy, but just go ahead and do that, and then add your garlic. And then once that is done, you add your nutritional yeast. And some people say that it tastes like cheese, but for me right now it's tasting really good. It's actually tasting like chicken stock. It's really good. And that's how you do this dish. I thought it was really easy to do. I'm super excited about what it's gonna taste like. I was tasting it along the way to see what it's like, and I forgot that it needed sugar, and I was liking it, and then I put the sugar on there, and then the sauce, I didn't like the way the sauce came out after I put the sugar on there. But go ahead and try it both ways. We'll see what it's like. So here goes the taste test. Guys, it's pretty good. Now I know what she means when it's choigi choigi. I think that's how it's supposed to be said. If you know, let me know in the comments down below. But this is actually really good. Anytime I'm watching her, she always makes me hungry and makes me want to do those dishes because they're super easy. And all the ingredients I got at my local grocery store or Kroger. But these rice cakes, I got them at the Korean market that is right next to my job. And there's so many things there. They don't only sell like Korean stuff or Asian stuff. There's actually some Spanish or Hispanic stuff in there too, which was kind of like surprising. But I really like it. You guys should give it a try and let me know. If you do give it a try, let me know. Tag me on Instagram. I am happy_Chelly on Instagram. So tag me with one of your photos or let me know in the comments down below if you liked it. But I'm gonna keep eating this. This is really good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I have many more things I want to show you guys. But thanks again for watching. Like and share.